You're on camera, boy. What is up, people? Welcome to another wonderful day of riding. I'm out here again at Pleasant Valley with co-workers and then this professional racer. I don't know his name, but he's number 723. So if you know his number 723, that's who he is. Staying further back because aside from not having much skill, my knobbies are completely worn right now. So this is just a little dangerous for me. Last time I was out here, it rained and this dirt was fantastic, but now it's more sandy. It's so dusty out today. All I have to do is follow the dust piles and I can find them. So they're doing the sand over there. I'm just taking the standard road and I'll meet them on the other side. So one thing I should know, guys, is I was actually out here last week when the weather was perfect and we had a great time riding. The footage was amazing. Only one problem. I have absolutely no audio of the day. Whoa! Here comes Guy. And the landing. Good job, Guy. Whoa! Oh, man. Man, those clouds look epic tonight. That's crazy. How the hell does he get that much gas? Oh crap. Just go pee. Go. I promise I won't roost you. So now we're heading over here. Apparently, this is all off limits, but we're still gonna try to have a good time and hopefully not get caught by the owner. Rolling, 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 rolling. Moo! Moo! Oh, that's awesome. Woo! Oh! Woo! What the hell? What is going on out here? Whoa! What is that guy doing? Is he trying to kill us? He's getting way too close. I don't know if he's chasing after us or what, but this is getting frustrating. Is he gone? Huh. That was weird. Oh well, screw it. That guy was starting to get low. I wonder if that's his property. At first I thought Guy was passing me. I'm like, Guy sounds fast. And he's not helping the dust situation. Whoa! I was like, why is he pointing going left? There's a swamp there. Well guys, that will conclude today's moto vlog. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll get you more content. So thanks again for watching, guys. You all have a wonderful day. See ya!